Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus Seminary Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Roman number, which a exercise for class 4th A mathematics. So before doing solution of exercise 1A, I would like to express something about Roman number. The Roman number system originated in ancient Rome. The ancient Romans used this system to represent number. For this, they made use of some Latin alphabets and their combinations. The Roman number system is, however, used even now in some very limited cases. Now, there are some words, there are some letters to represent numbers, and these letters are English alphabetic. How can we represent 1 in Roman number? We can represent 1 as I, 5 as V, 3 as triple I, 4 as IV, 6 as VI, 10 X, 20 is represented in Roman number system as double X, 50 is represented in Roman number system as L, and 40 XL, 60 LX. Now 100 is represented in Roman number system as C, 90 XC, 110 CX, 150 CL, 140 CXL. Now 200 is represented in Roman number as double C, 500 is represented in Roman number system as D, 400 CD, 600 DC. In the same way, 1000 is represented in Roman number as M, 2000 double M. Now let us solve some questions of exercise 1E. Write the following in Roman numbers. Now the first one is 104. We can represent 100 as C in Roman numbers. So we write here C, and 4 is represented as IV. Solution of second question, B number. 187. 100 is represented as C, and 80 is represented as L, X, X, X. L means 50, X means 10, 10, 10. So 100 plus 50, 150, 160, 170, 180, and this one 7, VII, 5, 6, 7. So the total of this Roman number is 187. 505. 500 is represented as D, and 5 is represented as V. So DV. Now the second question, write the Hindu Arabic number for each Roman numerals. Now the question number 1. X L I. It means L XL means 40, 41, 42, 43. L means 50. If X is before L, it means 40, 41, 42, 43. So it is 43 in Hindu Arabic number. This one 1500. So 1500. So MD is written in Hindu Arabic number as 1500. XC, it means 90. If X is before C, it means 90, and IX, it means 9. So 99. Now question number 3. Fill in the boxes with greater or smaller between the numbers. Now IX, it means 9. XI, it means 11. So 11 is greater than 9. So we put here sign of greater. In the same way, XC means 90 and IX means 9. 90 plus 9, 99. C means 100, X means 10. So 110. 110 is greater than 99. So we put here sign of greater. Write in ascending and descending order. First we write all this Roman number in Hindu Arabic numbers. So this one 40 and this one 10, 20, 30, 38. This one 50, 10, 60, 65. And this one 10 and 9. 10 plus 9, 19. This one 100. This one 90. This one 120. This one 92. And this one 200. And this one 4. Now we have to write all this Roman number in ascending order. So first we choose which is the smallest number of this group. As we know that IV is the smallest number of this group. So first we write here IV. Then after we write here this number XIX. Then after we write here XVII. Then after we write here XL. Now put this one, no need to put one. And then after we write here 65, it means LXV, then XC, then XC1, then C, and at last we write here double C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry. 4. This one 19, 38, 38, and this one 40, 40, and this one 65, this one 90, this one 92, and after that 100. Oh, there are two numbers left, so we put here 100 C, then after CXX. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in descending order, first we write the greater number of this group. XV, then XL, XXX, 1 2 3, 38. Then after we write XIX and 4. I hope you enjoyed this video while watching. So there is some homework for all of you. You will complete exercise 1A in your notebook. Thank you for watching.